Merry Christmas everyone! Merry Christmas kasi today is December 25 and we are going to a holiday vacation here at Laurel, Batangas. So from Tagaytay, we pass at the shortcut road that is too very high talaga and we are riding at Potor. So ito, nakalampas na kami dun si pinakamatarik na daan and we are headed to Kalinisan Resort. We're gonna stay there for 2 days and 1 night. At ayan na nga, fast forward, nandito na kami sa aming hotel room matapos ang napakahabang paglalakbay. And charan! Look at that! Ang ganda ng view from our room. The Taal Volcano and the Taal Lake. Napakaganda at napakalakas ng hangin. Usually kapag nasa malapit ka sa bulkan, mainit, 'di ba? Ito, naghalo siya kaya hindi ka giginawin at hindi ka rin maiinitan kasi very yung hangin, talagang nakaka good vibes siya. O tingnan nyo, nagsasayawan pa yung mga puno, mga dahon ng nyog, and you're gonna enjoy here guys if you want to try to have a quick vacation or even long vacation here at Kalinisan Resort. Alright, fast forward, we order our lunch. At pwede na ring dinner kasi the time right now is I think 4:30 p.m. and we order na lang. So they bring her in our room in the front of our room. Nasa labas kami sa terrace. Ayan yung view, 'di ba? Napakagandang dinner, lunch kasi nasa harap ka ng napakagandang view. Ayan, ang aming in-order ay butter chicken at saka chop suey. Hindi ko alam kung chop suey talaga siya kasi parang hindi mukhang chop suey. So, we started to eat because we are too much hungry, especially my husband. Ayan. Sobrang dami naming gutom. Of course, we pray first before we eat. Ayan, nagpray yung aking husband before we eat. So, ayan na. Nagsimula na kaming kumain dahil later we're going to have a picture outside, room around, and of course, i-enjoy namin yung place para naman kami ay magkaroon ng relaxing talaga. Okay, tanyo naman guys, I really enjoy the food. Siguro dahil gutom ako, ayan, pasayaw-sayaw pa ako. I enjoy talaga, especially the buttered shrimp, and masarap siya. And even my husband, ayan, busog na rin siya. Actually, 3 rice yung in-order namin and the rice is too much for both of us. Akala namin konti yung serving, pero ang laki ng andami pala. Sobra-sobra sa amin yung serving nila, and sulit talaga yung bayad mo kasi marami yung shrimp, marami yung chop suey. So, I think this is good for 4 person. So, ayun guys, I just want to show you the view talaga from our dining. Ayan, grabe, nakita nyo naman, ubos na ubos yung kinain namin. From dining to the beautiful view of Taal Volcano and Taal Lake. Talagang mabubusog ka. Hindi lang yung tiyan mo, pati yung mga mata mo, mabubusog talaga. So, yun lang guys. I hope you enjoy watching our vlog. And see you next vlog. Bye!